weather, climate, and adaptation of animals to climate, right? What is the difference between the weather and the climate?
Sir,
Srushti?
the difference between
Srushti,
another.
Srushti.
Sir, can I say please, please, please?
Yeah, Jayit.
Yes, sir. Weather is like, weather is like it is a change to hard in the day to day, but the climate is for like seasonal, summer, winter, like rainy, monsoon. Means they will stay up for like 2-3 months, sir. That's all.
Okay. What about Srushti? Srushti, are you there? Harini,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between the weather and the climate?
So weather stays for a short period of time and climate is for a long period of time.
Mahavir?
Yes, sir. Sir, weather is the condition like of our surroundings in day-to-day life, sir. Sir, such as if sir, yesterday was a sunny day, sir, but today is a rainy day. Like this is weather, sir. Like it's rainy and sunny, sir. But climate, sir, climate are like seasons and they stay for longer period of time.
Ritvik? Reddy? Ritik Reddy?
Sir, can I
Yeah, I can hear you.
say can I?
Srishti's voice is breaking.
Just check your internet connection, Srushti. Ritvik Reddy? Satvika, what is the answer? What is the difference between the weather and climate?
Weather is there for a short period of time and it can change quickly.
Okay.
Climate takes a long period of time.
Sir, can I?
Yeah. Sorry, you can give the answers. The last someone said, right? Ahana?
Yes, sir. So weather are they stay for a short period of time and climates stay for a longer period of time.
Very good. Next.
And the atmospheric elements of weather are air pressure, humidity, temperature, snow, wind, etc. So are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, I'm trying to join another device because in this charging is completed. Sir, can you allow me?
Yeah, sure. So listen carefully. Weather is a day-to-day phenomenon. Means it will be there only for
can
the
I?
shorter period of time. Who is this? Okay, so weather is a day-to-day phenomenon of a, and it is belongs to only shorter period of time. But if you take the climate, we are taking the average weather conditions of almost 30 years, 25 to 30 years will take. So climate decides the seasons or what is the climatic condition of that place for average of 30 years. But weather means it will change within minute to minute or hour to hour or day to day. So there's a lot of difference between the weather and the climate that we'll study today's class. Okay. So what are the factors which are affecting the weather, which we discussed in the last class? Altitude. Temperature is the elements of mostly the element of weather, right? But the most important factor deciding the climate is the altitude, latitude, geography, and the topography.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I joined little late, sir. What did you teach?
Still now we didn't taught the important topic. We are revising the old topic only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just now we are discussing the new topic. So the important factor which decides the weather, climate is the altitude, latitude, geography, and the topography. Then what is the meaning of topography?
Sir,
If you take Hyderabad, whether Hyderabad is a hilly region or a plain region,
Sir, hilly and plain, sir.
okay, we'll take some places it will be hilly, but most of the region in the Hyderabad is a plain region, right? Plain, it will come under the plain region only. Okay, so it will have the equal climate, like it will have the same sunny, warm, winter season will be there, rainy season will be there, spring season will be there, all will be in the equal months. If you take 1 year, almost 4 months will be there every season, right? But if you go to the Assam area,
Sir, it's a hilly region.
most of the year will be rainy season only, right? Every time there is a continuous rainfall will be there, very less warm region will be there. Like summer season, if you take only 1 or 2 months will be there, but most of the time is raining only.
Yes.
Because the topography is completely different. If you take Hyderabad or the Telangana, this is a completely plain region, plain areas. But if you take Assam, completely hilly areas and complete dense forest will be there. So topography is nothing but the all the living beings and the non-living beings belongs to particular region. Either it can be mountains or rocks or forest or the flora or the fauna, all the things will include. So the climatic conditions of that particular region will depend upon the topography. That is one of the important factors. Understanding.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Then what about the sea level? What is the meaning of sea level? Have you seen anywhere the mean sea level? They will measure in the meters. Okay, your homework for today is just find out the mean sea level of your area. Understanding.
Sir,
Which
can you
area?
repeat?
Which area you are residing right now? Just check the mean sea level of your area which you are residing right now.
Sir, actually, I'm out of station, sir, but how can I?
Means you can just search in the internet. Suppose you are living in the Hyderabad. What is the Hyderabad MSL value? MSL will say mean sea level. That will give the information like at what height you are above the sea level you are staying.
Okay, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So sea level is nothing but the water level. So above the water, at what height you are living. So it is also one of the important factors deciding the climate area of the condition. So one of the influential factor affecting the region's climate is the distance from the sea and the nearby water bodies. What is the distance from the sea? How it is affect the distance from the sea? Hello.
can you repeat the question?
How the distance from the sea will affect the climatic conditions of a particular place? Can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat the question?
How the distance from the sea will affect the climatic condition?
Sir, I don't know.
Sir, the coastal areas near the sea will be more humid compared to the areas that are landlocked. Like, sir, like the places of like Bengaluru, Chennai, sir, like they are more humid compared to Hyderabad.
Very good. Next. Next, any other comparison between the coastal areas and the plain areas? Can you tell me some other points? Anyone? Unmute yourself, Mahavir, and speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, like I was thinking, sir, near the coastal areas, like there is land breeze and sea breeze, which leads to like difference in temperature, sir. But in Sir, but in like landlocked cities and all, sir, the temperature is mostly like throughout the day it is same.
What about Ahana Singh?
Okay, sir. So, eastern coastal plains are broader, and western coastal plains are very narrow.
Okay.
And eastern coastal plains is a level surface, whereas the western coastal plain is intersected by the mountains.
We are not discussing about the western coast and western coasts, but we are telling about the how it will affect the climatic conditions.
Okay. By the seaways and oceans.
Very good. See, suppose if you are staying far away from the coastal area, na, you'll experience the equal climatic conditions like you'll have the same summer, you'll experience the winter season, you'll experience the rainy season, you'll experience the spring season. Yes or no?
Hyderabad.
But when you're staying in the near the coastal area, we don't experience much difference in the summer season and winter season and the rainy season, right? Sometimes
Yes.
suddenly it will rain, or some other day suddenly it will be very hot and humid. Some other day it will be cool, or some other day it will be warm. So there is no specific time and all for these things. The climate will change immediately.
Sir, but there are specific seasons, right, sir? What is the
Yes,
point
sir.
of season?
Sir, can I say example? Sir,
Randomly?
can I say example?
1 minute, Jay. Yeah, there will be specific seasons will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
We can differentiate the specific regions only in the plain areas.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I say example? Like yesterday it was sunny, and like just today it started raining hardly.
Yeah,
That's all.
but whether the same note is asked by Jahit or Gohit?
Sir, Gohit asked.
Sir, I asked, sir.
Yeah, Gohit, is it clear? Sorry, I
Yes,
said the
sir.
wrong name, Jahit.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Okay. So see, the person who has the distance from the sea also plays an important role in deciding the climatic conditions of the particular place. The next one is the ocean currents. So what is the ocean currents? Transferring of heat energy from land to sea or sea to land. You can say land breeze
Sir,
or the
I
sea
have a
breeze.
doubt.
And sea breeze.
Sir, I have a doubt that what is vice versa?
Vice versa means land to sea, we said, right? If
It
you
will
say
become
sea
sea
to
to
land,
land.
na, that is a reverse. That is a vice versa meaning.
Okay, sir.
Instead of using the term sea to land, they use the land to sea or sea to land. Continuously, it will happen. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So ocean currents also play important role in the climatic conditions of a particular region. Next, prevailing winds. What is a wind? What is a wind? Yeah.
Sir, wind is like an
Wind is like a-
blow, so like coming in a
Sir,
specific.
wind means moving
Sir,
away.
sir, moving of air, movement of air.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, air can eat anything, sir, except like water.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Sir, wind is the movement of air. Sir, like the moving air is called wind.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So wind means what? It is a pressure difference between the two regions, right? It is the air pressure difference between the two regions. Suppose if the pressure difference is more, there will be more wind speed will be more. If the pressure difference is less, the wind speed will be less. So always there is a pressure difference between the above the water and the land region. That's why always the wind will go constantly from either land to water or water to the land. So it will also affect a lot on the climatic conditions. Okay, these are the 4 important properties which will decide the. These are the 4 major, we can say. There are the 4 major factors which will affect the climate, there are so many minor factors also, like melting of glaciers, snow cover, temperature over the land, ocean heat content. Okay, all these are the minor factors. Then today's class will study about the difference between the climate and the weather. I think last class we discussed about the meteorologist, right? Who will prepare the weather conditions of a particular region.
Sir, the meteorologists are who predict the weather.
Yeah.
Sir, who make the weather report?
So meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather has been preserved for the several decades. What is the meaning of decade?
Sir, 10 years.
10 years, very good. So they will store the whatever the recorded data for several decades. That helps us to determine the weather pattern at a particular place. Okay, so the average of weather pattern over a period of time is determined as the climate. What is the period of time here? What is the period of time here?
Sir, sir, like 30 years.
You can say around 25 years to 30 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now basic definition has given in the first point as a difference between the climate and the weather. The average condition expected at a particular place in the given time frame. That is a climate definition. But weather definition is the atmospheric condition at a particular point of time. That is a weather definition. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Next, projection. What is the projection? Next case, next point.
Sir, like projection. Yes, sir. Carried out using the sum of total of the weather statistics over a
Statistics over
time
a
of
time frame of 30 years.
30 years. Sir, for weather is carried out by a collating data regarding meteorology such as solar radiation, air temperature, humidity, pressure, speed of wind,
And its direction.
and its direction.
Okay. So first, yeah.
Sir, I didn't understand projection of climate, sir.
Projection of climate.
I didn't understand.
Okay, I'll tell you projection of climate. Projection is nothing but the calculation, the statistics they will collect, right? So first, if you want to project the weather conditions, now what you have to do?
Sir, who
You have
are
to-
statistics?
Okay, first you want to project the weather conditions now. First, you have to calculate all the data like solar radiation, air temperature, rainfall, speed and direction of the wind, humidity. All this data you have to collect. Then we will prepare the weather reports. That is only the projection. Okay.
Sir, statistics.
Okay. Suppose you are taking the projection of all these for almost 30 years. That will use the data for the climate. So weather projection is nothing but taking for only 1 or 2 days individually. When you store all this data in the computer for over 30 years, and whatever the final result you are getting, that is a projection for the climate. Now you cleared, Shruti? Sorry.
No, sir. What is meaning?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Statistics. So what is the meaning of
Statistics means
statistics?
data which you will store, data which you collected.
Okay, sir.
They're also known as stats.
Stats. You can say stats, right? I have seen like
Okay, sir.
okay, better example. What you will say?
Sir, like
Any common example, anyone?
Top 10 player stats. Like
Yeah,
in cricket.
very good. Top 10 players in the statistics. Each and every player they'll measure the runs, how many runs he made in the innings. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Whenever the batsman
Yes,
coming into the crease, they'll project the statistics of the batsman. How many
Yeah.
Sir.
played.
The statistics of the innings.
Yeah, that and all. That is a collection of data.
Yes.
Simple term for statistics is a collection of data and storing.
Yes.
Next, underlying factors.
Yes, sir. The total of the weather statistics of the time frame of 30 years for climate, weather periodic measurements of the atmospheric pressure, rainfall, speed, and direction of the wind, humidity, overcasts, and Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, completed.
So underlying factors same. Whatever the data we are collecting and what are the factors we are considering to project the weather and the climate are called as an underlying factors. Both are same. Then who
Yes.
will study this one, climate?
Sir, climate is climatology.
Climatology will use the data about the climates.
Yes, sir. Weather
Meteorology
is
will give
meteorology. Meteorology.
give
Weather.
the data about the weather conditions. and all.
Weather. Weather conditions.
Okay, meteorologists will submit the reports to the newspapers, or they will project it on the news or TVs or anywhere. Climatology means they will
Climatology
prepare.
means
They will collect all the data from the meteorology and they'll prepare
Yes,
the
sir.
reports.
climatology.
Okay, again the same ingredients. Ingredient means what are the factors?
Yes, sir.
Comprise of weather elements such as
Climate is
forecast.
comprises of element like human. So what, sir?
Sorry, you're discussing about the weather. Comprise of weather elements such as overcast, rainfall, floods, hailstorms, winds, heat waves, snowfall, and many more. In the case of climate,
Sir, comprises of elements like humidity, rainfall, sunlight, wind speed, natural phenomenon like fog, frost, and so on in a particular time period.
okay. Now, can you tell me first? Only one Aditi is there today?
Sir, I didn't get ingredients of climate.
Sorry,
Sir, I didn't get the ingredient of climates, the ingredients.
you didn't understand ingredients of climates.
Yes, sir.
Okay, comprise of elements like humidity. You know about the humidity, right?
Yes, sir.
Amount of water vapor in the air.
Yes, sir.
Rainfall,
Yes, sir.
sunlight,
Yes, sir.
wind speed.
Yes, sir.
Whenever the pressure difference is very high, the speed of we can measure the wind speed.
Yes,
Natural
sir.
phenomenon like fog. Fog means what?
So fog means when after it rains a bit, like something like gas sticks on glasses or something.
Whenever the temperature is very low,
Yes, sir.
the water vapor will condense a lot in the air.
Sir, condense like a little bit above the ground only.
Sir, like water droplets it will be.
Yeah, that is a fog. Frost also same.
Sir, they
Little
say in a particular time period, but these don't only occur in a particular time period, right, sir? Like now, say today it suddenly rains. Tomorrow it will be again sunlight. So they cannot mention a particular time period in India or Hyderabad like that.
Yes,
right,
sir. Meteorology, it will change by time period. So now, like it will say, the Google will say, it will rain. It will rain, but if it didn't rain, again they will change the like that.
Okay, so whatever that they are giving, that is the predictions only, right?
Yes,
According to
sir.
the
But it
data.
will not come not the
Most of the
exactly
time it
what
will
they
be
are saying.
correct only, but only in some cases it will wrong. 100% it will not be correct, but 90% it will happen, right?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, what the climatic ingredients are there? Suppose if you take, okay, we'll divide the year like this from January to March. They'll say like January, the climate of the Hyderabad is like winter season, so it will continuously fog, frost will be there. But in the summer season, again March to May, there will be heavy warm climate will be there here come, right? So it
Yes,
depends
sir.
upon the weather or climate. Weather means what? Day to day we are measuring, but climate means it is constant, right? For particular months.
Yes, sir.
We
Sir,
speak
like
about the particularly Hyderabad itself.
yes, sir. Sir, normally, sir, if it's summer, sir, they predict that these 3 months, sir, like it will be around 40 degrees. Sir,
Yeah,
like it's constant one. It may be 2, 3 degrees above or low, but it will be
it will be constant for every year, right? From March
yes,
to May, it will be constant only. We
yes,
cannot say that from March to May, this is a winter season or the rainy season. It is obviously summer season, we know, but it may vary some days. It may be 40 degrees or 45 degrees, or it may shift also. It may start from March. Instead of March, it can start from April also. But definitely we know in that particular time period only it will come summer season. Yes or no?
sir.
Is it clear now? We cannot predict the weather because it is changing day to day or hour to hour basis. But climate is constant, right? If you want to change the climate now, the weather condition has to change very drastically a lot.
Sir, climate also changes like weather only, sir, mostly.
Climate also changes like a weather, but it will not shown like immediately, right?
Sir, per day, sir.
Weather will change from day to day life, but climate will not change immediately. Like we cannot bring the summer season from March to May to the January to February, right?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So estimated over a long time span, there is a climate. Weather means only shorter time span.
Yes, sir.
So from the overall tabular column, what you understand? What are the elements of climate? That means ingredients of the climate. What is the definition? How they are calculating, and who is measuring or who is studying the climatic conditions and weather conditions. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in tabular column?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, next meteorologist and the climatology. What is the meteorology? The major
Sir,
focus
it is
in
the
meteorology
study
is
of
weather
the weather.
forecasting.
Meteorology is the studied by people to know about the weather.
Yes, sir, it is the study of knowing of.
The major focus in meteorology is weather forecasting.
Sir, can meteorology be can it be given 100% guarantee?
That's what he cannot give the 100% guarantee, but he'll give all the projections, right? This will be possibility will come. They will say
Okay, sir.
possibilities only.
Yes, sir, like they say the if it's raining heavily in the morning, they will say it will also rain heavily in the evening, but it will not rain heavily, but it will it will at least drizzle.
Yeah. So most of the possibilities, whatever they're predicting, according to the data they are collected, it will be true only. It will not be false always, right? Only in some rare cases it will become false.
So, like based on what will they predict to and we will listen. So, like in what based on what will they predict about the weather?
Based upon the elements only, right? Based upon the overcast or rainfall conditions, floods. Sorry.
So, how will
Based
they
upon
know that in past that it hasn't rained yet, but they will give the forecasted to the early morning only, right, sir?
yeah, based upon the
So, like
temperature of
how
the
will they
condition.
know?
What is the temperature of that particular place, and what is the humidity, or how much water content is there in that
So, is
area?
there any device used for it?
Yeah, for measuring temperature, we will use thermometers, humidity.
No, sir. I'm asking like for them to know
You can
what
install
what's
all the
happening.
devices at a particular places, important places, and all over the India.
Okay, sir.
So all these devices will give continuous data to the systems. From that, they will draw the graphs and they will predict. So all the weather forecasting devices will be there in important places in India. Suppose if you see the news, they will tell you the news, right? Like Hyderabad, this much temperature is there, this much maximum temperature, this much minimum temperature in the
Yes, sir.
Vishakhapatnam, in the Vizag, in Tirupati. Like they'll tell you in each and every places, right?
Yes, sir.
Individually, how they are telling that one data every day.
So the temperature can be set by measuring the temperature.
Because
So by
already the
the
installed devices will be there. The measuring instruments will be there in a particular places. And all over the India, there is a
sir, first like to measure the temperature of the atmosphere, they use barometer.
they'll use a different instruments. Okay,
So
and all
barometer, sir.
barometer will use, and the humidity there's an anemometer for the wind speed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we have discussed already these things in the first class itself, right? Temperature by using the thermometer, rainfall, rain gauge, anemometer used to measure the speed and the wind, direction of wind. Hygrometer is for humidity. Okay, so each and every district will have the meteorological department. So upon this meteorological department, there is some instrument will be there which will measure continuously the data of the climate, sorry, weather conditions. So they will collect all the overall data and they'll project the graphs. So it will happen
Okay,
every
sir.
day continuously. So in this paragraph, they are explaining only about the meteorology and the climatology. What is the meteorology? The major focus in meteorology is weather forecasting. Next, They will forecast the weather in the TVs or radios or the newspapers or whichever the common social media platforms. Okay, so whatever the data or whatever the forecast is made by the based upon the weather is prepared by the meteorological department of the government, either it can be state government or the central government. Okay, so what are the data they collect, prepare the weather forecasting, temperature, wind. What are the elements of weather? What are the elements of weather?
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you say again?
What are the elements of weather?
Sir, the elements of the weather are, sir, the major focus of like uh, so like it is a short period of time, and it changes day to day and
Sir
hour
is
to hour.
asking what's the main, what we say, elements of weather, not what is weather.
Main element.
Elements of weather.
Yeah, I'm saying that only, right?
4 elements, 4 we discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Gohit, what are those?
So the 4 elements are air, water, temperature. Sir, I think I'm wrong. I don't know exactly.
What about
sir.
Nikhil?
Sir, humidity,
Sir, humidity, alliteration, and there are 2 more, sir. I don't know about the other 2.
wind,
Temperature, rainfall, humidity, and the wind speed.
Sir, what's alliteration then, sir?
Sorry,
Sir, what's the alliteration?
Alliteration is like a word in English, right?
yes, sir.
Nikhil, are you there? Unmute yourself.
Sir, alliteration means
Alliteration.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
So alliteration is like a poetic, like
yes, sir. It's a poetic device in English. Sir, it's in
I know
English.
it's in English, sir, but once I actually was reading an encyclopedia, it said some alliteration only, sir, as it's also another type of temperature that.
Element of
Sir,
weather.
it said, sir, I don't know. It said it is also one of the elements.
Okay, no. Okay. Enough. Sorry, you are discussing about meteorology and the climatology, right? Okay. So elements of weather they will collect, that means temperature, rainfall, humidity, and the wind speed they will collect, and they will predict the weather conditions of a particular place. Then how the formation of the clouds will be happened?
So when the water evaporates and condenses, it forms clouds. So like when the water evaporates, sir, water vapor, sir, like the water vapor like comes, sir, and as it is heated, it will raise up. Sir, it will condense after like going to a high altitude because it is cold at high altitude. Sir, then
Satvika. Good, Mahavir. Satvika. Harini. Okay, how the cloud formation will be done? So what is the main method? What you will say? Cloud formation usually done by using the process called as a convention. Okay, what is the method? Convection.
Convection or convention, sir?
Convection. Okay. So what is this now? First, whatever the air nearby the earth surface, it is got heated up due to the
So whatever the water is.
Sir, it is a
evaporated
method
from
of
cloud.
transfer of heat in water and air.
So whenever the water evaporates, forms clouds.
that's what. So during the summer season, what will happen? The air get heated up due to the sun heat. So whatever the heated air is there, it will take the water molecules from the oceans or the lakes and it goes up. Right?
Yes, sir.
Again,
So
the
then-
air will goes transferred continuously, right? So whatever the heated air, it will go up. Again, the remaining lighter air will come down. So this is called as a convection process. So in this only, during the summer season, the water from the oceans or the seas will transfer into the atmosphere. From as we go higher altitudes in the atmosphere, the temperature will become cool. As hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you hear us? Hello, sir.
Okay. So how the cloud formation will be done? There is a called as a convection method. So as the sun rays heated to the ground and the immediate air over it, the warm air tends to become lighter, which is carried away along with the warm air upwards. As the air rises higher, the temperature falls, causing the amount of water vapor that the air can hold to decrease. What do you understand from this paragraph? So whatever the air nearby the ground surface, it get heated up due to the sun heat. Now this heated air will go upward in the atmosphere and the heavy air will come down. Okay. So as we go up in the atmosphere to the higher heights, the temperature will become lower. So there, the condensation process will start. So due to the condensation of these water droplets, they will join together to form the big clouds. So once the clouds become heavy, what will happen? They will burst and they'll come down in the form of water droplets onto the surface of the earth. So that is how about the formation of clouds. Okay, now tell me one. Hello,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
you can hear me clearly, right?
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
can hear
We
you,
can
sir.
very clearly.
Okay. So in which case the water boiling will be easier, either on the land surface of the land or on the hilltop?
Or on the surface of the land.
In which case,
So because of the altitude.
because of the altitude, okay. So in which case we can boil the water easily
Sir, when it's on the land.
when it is on the land.
Yes, sir.
The remaining anyone?
So because whenever the altitude gets higher and higher, it gets colder and colder, right, sir?
Yeah.
So it will be a bit harder than it's on land when we boil the water.
Remaining people? Okay, your homework is that only. First, next question.
Okay, so I already did my homework then.
Okay, so which case you can boil the water easily, either surface of the land or on the hilltop. I'll explain you about this answer next class. You just find out the reason for that, okay?
Sir?
Clear question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next rain case we discussed already. Sorry. We discussed about the climatic condition, right? Distance from the sea. You can see this paragraph here, how it is affecting.
Yes, sir.
Distance from the sea of the climate, sorry, distance from the sea, climate of the place varies according to the closeness of the sea. The place that are nearer to sea or moderate. Moderate means it neither be too hot nor too cold. Example, coastal areas like Mumbai, Chennai. While the places that is away from the sea have extreme climate. That means they will have hot summer as well as cool winter. So you can go through this paragraph afterwards.
Can you hear me?
Sorry. Ritvik, you're asking something? The climate of a particular place depends upon the distance from the sea also. Okay. If you're staying near to the sea area, we don't experience much difference in the climate. But if you're staying in the plain areas, you can experience the difference in the climate in every month. Because during the summer season, we will have the very hot climate in the plain areas. But if you're staying near to the close sea areas, we cannot experience that much of hotness during the summer season. That is only explained in this paragraph. Okay. So next one is the climates of India. You know, already studied in the social textbook, this one. So the northern region of Himalayas has cold and moderately wet climate. Example, Kashmir. Plains has moderately hot and wet climate. Example, Uttar Pradesh. And south has very hot and wet climate. Kerala. The western region has a hot and dry climate. Example, Rajasthan. Northeastern India has a wet climate because there is a continuously rainfall will be there throughout the year. For example, Assam. So you tell me some more examples for these 5, the climates of the India in the different region. Anyone?
Sir, what's the question again?
Can you show the question again?
Yes, sir.
I have given 5 examples, right, for the different types of climatic region in the different regions of India. Now you
Yes,
tell me
sir.
some more examples for these 5 about the climate in the northern region, south, plains, western region, and northeastern region.
So coastal regions.
Okay, why the Himalayas are having always the cool climate?
Sir, because the Himalayas are located at the north, sir.
Okay, then any other reason?
Sir, because of the mountains or mountains and
Because of the mountains. Then what about the South India?
South India is always hot, sir. Not
Why?
always, but it's like
Near
hotter
to the
than
equator.
it's-
Near to the equator, very good. Next, western regions.
So western regions are normal, sir, I guess. They are just like how Delhi those all.
Okay,
Sir, I guess western regions are like northern regions a bit colder than normal. Like Sikkim's those all, sir.
okay, do some research on these 5 points. Why the climatic of the northern region is always cool? Why the plains will have the hot and wet climate? Okay, why the south is having very hot climate always compared to any other part of India? And the northeastern region, why there is a continuous rainfall in that region? Find out the answer for these and tell me in the next class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so about the climate adaptation of animals, we discuss in the next class. Any doubts up to this?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any doubts in your exams? Anyone? Okay, we'll wind up the class here itself today.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you,
we
sir.
still
Bye.
have 5 minutes, sir.
Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. That's what I'm giving you.
Okay, sir.